Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ritstar. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video today we are going to be doing a haul video. Now when it comes to haul videos, I really get awkward and nervous, and this is my, I think, third attempt at doing this video. I have recorded, I think, 2 more videos on hauls, but I never posted it. I never got to editing it because I feel really nervous and awkward about sharing what I bought and what I didn't. But like, the reason behind that is that I don't want anybody to think that this is a show off video, because it's not. I have seen a lot of haul videos. I binge watch them on YouTube because I really love them, and I thought, why not do one for my channel, because after all this is a beauty makeup channel, right? So this is the first haul video ever on Ritstar, so I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. Now let's get started. This video might be a long one, so if you want to grab a snack or a drink, then please do so. And we'll start off with the package I have from Amazon. Now I was actually browsing the internet. I wanted to find some new brands of lipsticks, for a good swatch video. So I was doing my research and I came across 2 brands on Amazon. One is Insight. This is sort of known to me. I've heard this brand. So I have 3 colors from this range, the non-transfer lip colors, in the shade. Okay, one is Satin Rose 07, then Charmed 24, and the third one is 09 Sunset Red. Next things that I got from Amazon are these 2 lipsticks from Gorgie. I'm guessing Gorgie Makes You Gorgeous. Okay, so I have 2 lipsticks from them. These are named Rosy Rose and Naughty Nude. This is the Intense Long Lasting lipstick. This is Silky HD, and these are the 2 things that I got from Amazon. Now moving on to Purple. By the way, I'm going to list down all the prices here on the screen and also in the description box below. So that's the reason I'm not mentioning the prices. You can definitely check that out. So the next box I have is from Purple, and I got a few things from there. So the first thing I have here is the Blue Heaven Diamond Blush. This is in the shade 503. So I have owned 2 of this same blush, same shade before this. The only problem is that this breaks very easily, but I love this shade on my skin tone as a blush. And if I can just show you the shade, you'll know. It looks very orangey here, but sort of a orange peachy tone, and when you put it on your cheeks, it looks very natural. At least on my skin tone, it looks very natural. The next thing I have here is the NY Bay HD Spotless Liquid Concealer. Now this is in the shade Dark and White Chocolate Pretzels. Okay, I'm not sure how much this is going to match me. I have a feeling it's going to be a little lighter on my skin tone, but I heard a lot of good reviews about this concealer. I saw a lot of videos on it, so I really thought, I wanted to try it out. So the next thing I have here is the NY Bay Liquid Eyeliner. This is, I think, matte. I think that's the reason I got this. It comes for 6 ml and it looked very tiny and intriguing to me. So this is how the tip is. It's a lot like the Lakme eyeliner we used to use since I don't know what ages, since we were kids. So I think that is what this reminded me of, and since it said that it's gonna be matte, I got this because I really want to try out something that's affordable and as well as matte. The next thing I have here is the Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight Palette. Well, you guys recently saw a video on the one brand tutorial of Swiss Beauty, or the first impressions. If you haven't watched it, I'm going to link it right here. You can go and watch it. So I was pretty impressed with the product Swiss Beauty had, and I really wanted to try out something else. So that's the reason I got this palette. Now this is what the inside of it looks. It has really pretty colors for blush. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to use this as a highlighter, but It has pretty much all colors of blushes you would want in your palette. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, so I got 2 things free from Purplle along with these products. So the first thing that I have here is the Alps Goodness Wild Turmeric Powder. You are supposed to use this on your hair as well as your skin. It says it improves skin complexion, removes excess oil from skin, helps treat dandruff and so on, and it's also 100% pure and natural and chemical free. So this is what I got free. The next thing I have free here is the NY Bay, I think, Creamy Matte. I'm not sure what kind of a lipstick this is, but it's a lipstick. This is the color. It's a pretty color. It looks like a creamy matte, but I'm not sure, and it looks a little brighter on the screen, but it's sort of a deep pink rose, almost like a Rani color. So the next box I have is from Sugar, and I got a lot of stuff from Sugar recently. You can say these are the new launches. I want to do a video on them, so that's the reason I got these products. And one of them is the Wonder Woman collection. Obviously I didn't get all of them. So the first thing I have here is the Wonder Woman eyeshadow palette. This is the Primal Precedent, and then I have 3 of their lipsticks. Like, I got 1 from each of the range. One is the Creamy Matte lipstick. This I got in the shade Wild Wonder. Next I got the Everlasting Matte lipstick. This is in the shade Fervor, and the last one is the 24-hour lip liqueur. This is in the shade Vigorholic. So these are the 3 lipsticks. Now I'm not going to show any swatches of them because I do have a plan to do a separate video on the entire Wonder Woman collection that I have here. So I'm not going to say a lot about them. I'm going to keep them aside. So the next thing I have is the Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. Now I was looking for this mist for a long time. In my one brand tutorial of Sugar Cosmetics, I told you guys that this was not in stock at that point of time, so I couldn't get it. But while I was buying all this stuff, I saw this, and I don't like having a matte finish on my face. I prefer a dewy finish, so I'm always on the lookout to find a good dewy setting spray, and I was really excited when I saw that this is in stock, so I got this. So the next thing that I have here are these eyeliners from Sugar. These are the colored eyeliners. So I have 2 from the new range, that is the White Heat and the Pink Sphinx. So basically a pink and a white, and then I have the Blue Jasmine. I think this was already there before. So these are the 3 liners that I got. So I got these liners because I plan to do a video on this as well, so stay tuned for that. The next thing I have is the Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Black Magic Kajal pencil. This is also from Sugar. This costed me 100 rupees more. There was some kind of offer where if I paid 100 rupees more I would get this, so that's the reason I got it. This is just a black kajal. This is it. The next thing I have is the Time to Shine lip gloss. This is in the shade Princess Aurora from Sugar, and this is how this looks. So I was looking for a transparent lip gloss all over Nykaa, but the ones that I was liking were a bit too expensive. So then when I was buying from Sugar, I thought, why not get this from here as well. It was also sort of making me eligible for some more free stuff, so that's the reason I got it. This is the shade. And the thing that I love the most about Sugar, as I said, is that you get a lot of free stuff if you buy from the Sugar Cosmetics website directly. This is what I keep telling you guys in all my Sugar videos. So basically I'm going to show you today exactly how many free stuff I got from shopping. So the first thing that I got for free is this mirror. This is a small black mirror. I'm sure it's gonna come handy. It's not very sturdy. It has sort of a velvet paper thing stuck to its back. The second thing that I got free is this Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade Princess Peach. Now I'm not going to open this because I already have one that I'm using. I'm going to keep this aside. I'm going to tell you in a while how this happens. So the third free thing that I got is the Metal Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lyra 01, and you guys know this is almost, I think, 1100 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I got this one free as well. There are two more things which is gonna blow your mind. So the next thing I have, or I got free, is this Contour de Force face palette. This is the shade Vivid Victory. Mic drop moment. And the last thing that I have is this eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Fantasy, and these are the shades. So now I'm going to tell you how this is possible. So basically, if you have something to buy from Sugar Cosmetics, don't buy one thing at a time. So when I'm buying, I buy 2-3 or more than 2-3 things together. That way my amount comes up to the point where I am eligible to get some free stuff. Now all these products that I got, I bought it like I think in 2 separate boxes or 2 separate orders or 3 separate orders. So that's the reason with each order I got some free stuff. If I had placed one single order with all the stuff in it, I would have maybe gotten one free stuff, but I didn't do that. So that's the reason I got so many free stuff. So that's how you do it. So next, there are some stuff that I got from Nykaa. Let me show you those. The first thing I have here is the concealer brush 074 from PAC. I have been sort of into brushes, like buying brushes now, because you know a good brush does a good job. So if you have a good brush, it will definitely, you'll see the difference when you're blending things in, and that's the reason I invested in another concealer brush. The next thing I have here is the eyelashes from Kingdom of Lashes. This is in the variant Twinkle, and I have never tried their brand before. I generally use my eyelashes from PAC, Erdl or Nykaa. So I'm really excited to try this brand out and see how these lashes do. The next thing I have here is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Primer with Vitamin E. Again, I think this is a new launch in India, so I wanted to try it out. Let me just show you how it looks inside. This is how it looks, and it has a sort of a moisturizing consistency. It's not very silicone-y. My primary concern always is that a good primer is one that hides my pores. That's the only concern that I have for my face. So any product that I'm looking for in a primer, that's the first thing that I get inclined towards, that does it hide pores? Let me check that. So it's written here that this is for dewy plus smooth finish. So I'm excited to see if it works on my pores or not. The next thing I have is this Insight matte lipstick. This is long wear, supposed to be long wear. Now this is in the shade Nude Coffee. As I said, I'm looking to find out new lipsticks or brands that have good lipsticks at affordable prices. So that's why I'm trying out so many different types of lipsticks from different brands, because I know a lot of you prefer affordable things and would like to know more about them. So that's the reason I am also doing my research well. So I have 3 more liners here from Miss Claire. These are the pearl finish eyeliner. I have one in golden, one in silver, and then one in sort of a glittery champagne color. It also has a sort of greenish tinge to it. I don't have a lot of colorful or glitter liners, so that's why I'm stocking up on them, and these are also really inexpensive, so why not. I have 2 more lipsticks here. These are the liquid lipsticks, and these are from Blue Heaven. So this one is called Hyperstay Weightless Liquid Matte. This is in the shade 12. I'm not sure what the name is. And then the other one is called Elegance Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade 08. I also got an eyelash glue from Miss Claire. Well, this is the package. and this is what comes inside. This is a dark toned glue, and I have used this before. This is actually my go-to sort of glue, and I ran out of it, so that's the reason I got another one. I also have a liner here from Kiko. This is in the shade 534. It's a nude color. I saw a video where a person was using this lip liner and it looked like a really nice deep nude shade, so that's the reason I got it. The next thing I have here is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 310. I didn't get this for me. I got this to keep in my vanity because there are times when I'm doing somebody else's makeup and sort of I needed more colors for that. So instead of getting the full bottle, I got the little pack. I'm keeping this in case I have somebody who is of a darker or deeper skin tone than mine. Then I can use this or mix this with my foundation and make their sort of a shade. The next thing I have here is the NYX soft matte lip cream. I got this free from Nykaa. This is in the shade Monte Carlo. I didn't have this shade. I have a lot of other shades from this range, but I didn't have this shade, so I'm glad that this is the one I got free. And I really love the packaging. Like, it's been years of this product launching, but look how cute the bottle is. This is velvet matte and this is glossy, and it looks so classy. Now moving on, I have a few more products left. So recently I went shopping on Cuffs and Lashes. As you guys know, it's a brand by Nidhi Katiyar. She has an online site where she sells makeup products, and Cuffs and Lashes is that site's name. So this is what I got from there. This is the Hated with Love palette. I was actually recommending this palette to a friend of mine, and since it's so colorful, and I ended up getting this too for myself. So it has a mirror here, which is very sturdy. I love the box. It's a bit big and it's a bit difficult to travel with this, but otherwise the packaging is really cute, and they have so many colors. They have matte shades, they have glitters, they have shimmers, foil shades, everything that you need. And there is a blue tone going on here. Then you have the oranges and berries and reds and browns and yellow, everything you can actually sort of think of. I think I have not used this palette yet, but I am definitely looking forward to be using this. The last two things I have are from Ruby's Organics, and they are supposed to be an organic brand. So I was looking at the website and two things really like called out to me, and one of them was this liquid eyeshadow. Like, I had ads about this all over my Insta, and yes, they got a customer. So this is the liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Luna. I have been looking for an exact shade like this everywhere, and oh my god, this is how it looks. It's very natural. On days when you don't want to have a heavy eye makeup going on, this is what you take and you dab it on, and that's like, it will just look heavenly after that. So that's the reason I got it. I really like, I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to be using this. And the next thing that I have from them is this blush. It's a cream blush in the shade Poppy Pink, and this is the jar inside. This is the color. Can I just take a moment to say that look at their packaging. I really appreciate how cute these are. They have like pink and lavender and peach going on their boxes, and then they have these small leaves on it. I really find it very cute and very trendy right now. These leaves have become a design thing, I must say. And that's it for my haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I've gone out of my way and shopped a lot here, but half of them are for research, then there are some for my daily use, and then there are some which I just got because I wanted to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.